Hello students, in this video you will be studying Boyce chord normal form or BCNF. So please watch the previous videos on third normal form, second normal form, etc. before watching this video. A relation R is in Boyce chord normal form if and only if first condition it is in tree NF, that is third normal form, and second condition for each non-trivial functional dependency x determines y, x should be a super key. So if you don't know what is a non-trivial functional dependency, please watch the video on functional dependency. Let's take an example and see whether this relation is in BCNF. Okay, so relation R is having three attributes A, B, C, and the functional dependencies are given. A determines B, B determines C, and C determines A. So first we'll start by finding the candidate key. So the candidate key that we find is A. So the prime attribute is A. So check for more candidate keys. Okay, so there can be more candidate keys if the prime attribute is present on the right hand side of the functional dependencies. So as you can see here, the prime attribute is A. So check on the right hand side. It's not present here, not present here, but it is present here. Okay, so that means we could have additional candidate keys. Okay, so therefore we replace A with C and we check whether C is a candidate key. This entire process of finding candidate keys and additional candidate keys has been explained stepwise in a separate video. So please watch that video in case you need to understand how to find candidate keys before continuing. Okay, so C could be a possible candidate key. So since no proper subset of C is a super key, therefore we can conclude that C also is a candidate key. So now we are having two candidate keys, A and C. So therefore update the prime attributes. So we will have prime attributes as A and C. Now check for more candidate keys. Okay, so we are having now, we have already checked that A is on the right hand side. So now check whether C is on the right hand side. It's not here, but it is present here. So therefore we could, since C is on the right hand side of this functional dependency, B determines C, we could replace C with B and check whether B is a candidate key. Okay, then since no proper subset of B is a super key, therefore we can conclude that B also is a candidate key. So therefore now the candidate keys are A, C and B, and therefore update the prime attributes. So we get our prime attributes now as A, C and B. So this is what we have found out till now. Candidate keys as A, C and B, and the prime attributes also as A, C and B. So for a relation R to be in BCNF, first of all, it should be in third normal form. So you need to check whether this relation R is in third normal form. Okay, you can do that. Okay, you can try it out on your own. I'm not going to solve it. If you don't know how to check, please check the previous video. Okay, so I will directly claim, but you all need to solve it. Okay, solve and check whether it is in tree NF. So since I know it is in tree NF, I will claim that it is in tree NF. So if you don't know how to, you don't know whether it's in tree NF, you need to check my previous video and then solve it for tree NF and conclude that it is in tree NF before you go to the next step. Okay. So since I've seen that the relation R is already in tree NF, okay, so I will check for the second condition. So I will check each non-trivial functional dependency whether X is a super key. So given a functional dependency X determines Y, X should be a super key. So I take this first functional dependency A determines B and I've checked the left hand side whether A is a super key. Now I know that A is a candidate key, therefore A has to be a super key. So now I'll take the next relation and check whether B is a super key. Since again B is a candidate key, so therefore it has to be a super key. I take the third functional dependency, and the left hand side I'll check whether C is a super key. Okay, so since C is a candidate key here, we can conclude that it is also a super key. Now now the meaning here was, the important word was each. So we have checked each functional dependency, meaning we have to check all the functional dependencies. For all these functional dependencies, the X value should be, or the left hand side should be a super key. We have checked the left hand side. All the left hand sides of the functional dependencies are super keys. So therefore, we can conclude that this relation R is in BCNF. Okay, because first condition it satisfies, R is in third normal form. Second condition also it satisfies that for its non-trivial functional dependency X determines Y, X is a super key. So both conditions are satisfied. Therefore, R is in BCNF. Okay. Students, please remember, here I have not solved and checked whether R is in tree NF. You will have to solve and check that R is in tree NF. You have to prove that R is in tree NF, and then only you can go to the second step. Okay. Thank you for listening.